Hello, this is Kalam. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can get 40% discount for purchase Pictory.ai. You know, Pictory.ai is a script to video, article to video, edit video using text, a virtual to video generator. You can create a YouTube video, Facebook video, and script to video. It's absolutely people join. So this link I will attach in description below. And now I'm going to Pictory.ai. Then you can see this is a dashboard. Now you need to log in here. Just click here, this login button. Then when you log in, you can see this is dashboard. Now what you need, just click here, then click my subscription, then choose a annual plan. When you choose monthly plan, you did not get any discount for this offer. When you purchase yearly plan, then you will get 40% off for this example of I click here. Now copy this discount code. Just copy, then paste here, then apply. Just click apply. You can see my annual plan price 468 US dollar. When I put my coupon code, then I get 40% off $187. Otherwise, this coupon code valid in this month, I mean 2022 November month. Otherwise, this coupon code used for a lifetime. If I use this coupon code, example this coupon code, then I get 20% discount for lifetime. If I click purchase, you can see here are $93 minus and I get 20% discount. So if you feel any trouble, please comment below. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. And please watch others video in my channel, and I uploaded lots of video in this channel. See you next video. Take care.